Okay, another Jeep YJ upgrade. Here's my big block Chevy that I put in the Jeep. Oh, just kidding. I got tired of pulling my air compressor out and airing my tires up, clipping to the battery. So I mounted my air compressor under the hood and wired it directly to the battery. And I found these air tanks on the internet. They're just 1 gallon. They're really small. And they fit nicely between the frame and my sliders. But the quick couple fits neatly right there. And I got one for each side. So, and they've got a cutoff switch on them that regulates them between 90 and 120 psi. It only takes it a second to fill these up because they're so small. There's not enough to actually air up all my tires, but it just makes it much more convenient. So the tanks came with a mounting bracket. They're only 4 inches, less than 5 inches in diameter with the brackets, 16 inches long. So I put my switch right here, and I've got a gauge ordered. Since this doesn't, it's just wasted space anymore, I'm going to put an air pressure gauge right here so I can monitor the tanks. But flip the switch, air compressor comes on, hook a short hose. There you have it, as simple as that. Lots easier to hook up and air my tires back up. So I haven't actually gone out and tried it yet, but it's just going to make it much simpler. So anyway, I need to go out and give this thing a bath. It got pretty filthy last time I used it, and I haven't quite got to that part yet. But anyway, that's the latest upgrade to the YJ. And actually that 454 is in my car, so it's a little more horsepower than the Jeep could take. So anyway, that's it. Bye.